available Side Bicyclist Alert helps detect bicycles and their riders in your blind spot to help keep you and other road users safe. If you see a Side Bicyclist Alert option in the settings menu of your center display, your vehicle has this option equipped. The feature uses radar sensors in the rear corners of the vehicle to detect moving bicyclists in your side blind zones, and alerts to warn you if it is unsafe to change lanes or open doors into the path of moving bicyclists. When a bicyclist is detected, an amber alert icon will display in the side view mirror on the same side as the bicyclist. The alert icon looks like this. If your turn signal is activated when a bicyclist is detected in your side blind zone, the alert icon will flash. If the vehicle senses steering wheel input in the direction of a detected bicyclist, you'll hear a warning chime, or if equipped, you'll feel a safety alert seat pulse. Side Bicyclist Alert is also active for an additional 2 minutes while your vehicle is in park or off. The feature will continue to use the sensors and alert icons to warn you of any detected bicyclists moving into your vehicle's side blind zone. This can help to avoid collisions that can result from opening doors into the path of incoming bicyclists. When the feature alerts you of an approaching bicyclist while in park or with the vehicle off, you'll see a message on your vehicle's DIC indicating that an object has been detected. To turn Side Bicyclist Alert off, disable the feature in the settings menu of your center display. The feature retains this setting between ignition cycles, so you'll need to remember to turn it back on next time you need to use it. Side Bicyclist Alert helps to detect moving bicyclists in your side blind zone, but it doesn't steer or control the brakes for you. Always remain alert when driving and check over your shoulders before changing or entering lanes. In rain, fog, snow, or dusty conditions, the radar sensors may not work as expected and may not detect bicyclists if you are towing a trailer. The radar sensors may occasionally detect objects that aren't bicyclists, but are still hazards in your side blind zone, like signs, barriers, and shrubs. For optimal operation, make sure your sensors located in the rear corners of your rear bumper are kept clean and free from dirt, objects, or other obstructions. Side Bicyclist Alert is on hand to help keep bicyclists and motorists safe.